तो हातरो कांबो आसा म्हणून थिंगा ओल्ड गोवा. एक्चुअली तेजें नांव पिलोरिनो नोव मीन्स न्यू पिलरी. न्यू पिलरी म्हणलें एक पोल आनी पोल इज अ पॉयंट ऑफ द विलेज ऑर द सिटी which is the point of interest. Announcement कोत्ताले थिंगा नाल्यार I can sometimes say 0 mile थिंगा तुमगे starting point of the city starts from here. That is the main in the town square. थिंगा announcement कोत्ताले. आतां म्हणपाक ते हातरो कांबोन लोकांचे हात कातताले म्हूण हिंगा एक पॅटर्न म्हणल्यार कितें misinformation पहिले spread करपाक. History is only on facts and record. History can't be on my imagination. Such kind of people who are wanting to breach public order and national security and integrity of our country should be booked under NSA. It is not law and order, please understand. It is public order which you can book somebody under the NSA.
During the time of Spanish Inquisition, there were pillories where people who were non-believers. You know, they were burnt alive and all those. Their hands were chopped and all that. But in Old Goa, that particular pillar which was there, it was called Pelorino Novo. It was called Hatkatro Khamo locally. Officially, it is not called Hatkatro Khamo. Locally, it is called Hatkatro Khamo. म्हणजे थंय जे क्रिमिनल्स असताले तांचे हात कापताले म्हणजे एज अ वे ऑफ पनिशमेंट टू द क्रिमिनल्स. पण एक हांवें वाचिल्लें एक पिक्चर पळयल्लें थंय त्या हातकात्रो खामाचो फोटो आशिल्लो आनी थंय बरयल्लें पिलोरी दे इन्क्विजिसांव म्हणून बरयल्लें. सो पिलरीज वर बेजिकली टू chop the hands of those criminals who were involved in crimes. That's why it's all called हातकात्रो. हात कापप म्हणजे हातकात्रो. पेलोरिनो म्हणजे तेच पिलर ऑफ पेनल्टी कट करपाचे हँड चॉपिंग करताले.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.